One of the more challenging bicycle locks I have with a disc detainer core is this one. It's a heavy Cordo lock with this key. It works reasonably well, but sometimes, as you can see, the key gets stuck and you have to wiggle it a bit. And now it's open, so the key doesn't work too great, but it does work. I will show you inside the lock. And there you see all the discs. Now let's see if we can pick into this. So I'll stabilize it on this box of the Sparrows pick. I will rotate all the discs. I'll just use a pick for that. The front disc is a spinner, so that's something to keep in mind. Let's see if I can pick it up. Alright, you can see I can give it tension, but if I move the pick out, it starts to turn on the spinner. I've opened it a few times, but not often, so let's see what we can do. So you can see I'm at the open part in the back of the lock, because there's quite a lot of space. Then I'll follow the contour of the last disc. I'm not putting a lot of pulling pressure. Now you can see I'm between the discs. I'm on a disc, I mean. So I can release the tension and see what I can do. There's a lot more movement there, so I'm gonna leave it. Let's find the next. I'm on a disc and there's a lot of movement, so I'm gonna leave it. This one, there's not much movement. Gonna release the tension and I feel a turn of the core. There seems to be more movement there. Here the disc feels very tight and gritty, so I'm going to rotate it back. Let's see again. This is gritty, it doesn't want to turn further. So should be the best position. This one also has quite a bit of movement. This one has quite a bit of movement. This one feels pretty good, so let me check all the discs. We're in the back again. And let's follow the contours again. This disc feels quite okay. Feels quite okay. If I feel they're okay, I'm gonna leave them a bit in the middle. Let's check this one. has more movement here. And I also feel the core move. I'm not sure, but it's probably good. This one feels very loose. Feels pretty loose. Feels pretty loose. Not sure about this. Now it feels better. And there was a bit of turn in the core. This one feels pretty good. And now I'm at the end. So we might be close. Let me see if I can find a disc that is zero cut. This one seems to be quite far turned counterclockwise. So let's try this guy. Try not to slip off. And here I feel the tensioning nose is a bit loose. So I'm gonna try it. Nope, don't slip off. I think the spinner also needs to be set. It's not yet opening, so... And I slipped off the discs. Let me try to find it again. Still not very good at disc picking, so that is a nice challenge for me. I can feel the tensioner is a lot more, that disc there is more comfortable in that position. But I think one of the other discs might still be in the wrong place. No, there it is, it's open. Alright, so I managed to get the last disc. When I turned everything, I was able to turn the whole core from the first disc, counting on this side. So yeah, I'll show you the spinner there. There it is, and if I use the key, you can see that it just keeps rotating. Let me use something else. I'll use a pick. Let me show you that this guy just rotates around, around, around. But yeah, it's a fun pick. It's much more challenging than the usual suspects, but it's absolutely possible with this Sparrows pick. So Botany and Bill Lock Picking Lawyer, thanks for designing it and making it available at this price, including Sparrows, who of course collaborated with them in the production. Everyone, thanks for watching. Take care.